Hi guys, we have a new video today. I just want to quickly show you how you can move your variables from one Figma file to another. You probably would want to do this because you're starting a new project or you're moving it to a new file. So I'm quickly going to show you how you can easily do that. This is the new design file that we would want to transfer our previous variables to. As you can see, it's very scanty and empty, so we'll be using a plugin for this. Import variables. So this is the plugin that we'll be using. I will quickly install this plugin. I'll open this plugin in the file that has the variables that we would want to move to the design file, right? And that will be this testing file of mine. So I will select this and then run it. I'm going to export the primitives token and the semantics token because these are the variables that I want to use in a new design file. I'll click on this export to JSON, right? So I'm going to save this. Then I'm also going to click on this one, and regardless, I'm also going to save it as well. So as you can see, it's been exported successfully. Then I'll close this and come to our new design file, which is where I would want to move these saved variables to. I'm going to go back to the plugin section and open it up and select this export and import variables plugin again. I'm going to import those two JSON files that I exported in my other existing file into this new file. I'm going to do that by clicking on this place. I'll select this and then choose this one, open it up. Then this has been imported successfully, right? Then I will do this again since we have two files. Then I will select it and import it as well. This has also been successfully imported. So we've imported those two JSON files, which are our variables, into this existing file using this export and import variables plugin. So I'm just going to exit this, then come to our variable section. We've successfully imported these variables from our existing file to our new design file. So these are our variables. They are also complete. So this is how you can be able to do that quickly. I just wanted to make this quick video because I'm very sure it's going to help someone out there. So this is how to quickly move your variables from one design file to another.